Alright, here it's been snowing now from snowstorm Nemo. And I've been watching the Weather Channel here. And this is about, let's see what time we got, 9:10 p.m. Friday night. And just started to snow really hard there, I guess, in New York City. But I live in here, Western Massachusetts. And we're going to show you what it's doing here in Berkshire County. See what's going outside, if you can see. It's snowing pretty hard. Roads are pretty covered. And I don't know if you can hear the wind. That wind has just picked up significantly. I only worked 2 hours. I sent everybody home at 4 o'clock. I'll put the camera out the window, see if you can hear the wind. And you can see it's snowing. Hopefully you can see it good on this camera. I don't know. I'm going to do an update tomorrow morning after the storm to see what it looks like. I mean, it's snowing. It's snowing fairly moderately. I mean, I wouldn't say heavy, but let's try the other window here. Well, a lot of people lose power. We don't really have that issue, but I want to see what we got up this side here. This is the west side. Well, it's kind of hard to see at night. There's the Mohawk Trail over there where the lights are. You can hear the traffic. Sounds like plows. Besides, a little modern snow going on, but I haven't done a YouTube video in a while, so I figured I'd do one now, and then I'll do one in the morning to show you how much we got. And, I got another project coming up. I'm going to be updating, or should I say upgrading my, I'll show you my computer over here. It's a Dell D830. I'm gonna put an N card in. I just got a new router, an N gigabit router. This has an internal G card, but I'm gonna put an internal AGN card in it. And I noticed some difference even with the N card, but I'll show you what I got quick. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see better. This is a amp 600 milliwatt amped router, 600 milliwatt. It did make a difference when I upgraded. I had a 300 megabit router, but not gigabit. There is a difference. I was getting about 13 megs downstairs wirelessly with the G card. With the other router, this one's getting about 19. So there is some difference. But I want to put the N card in the laptop over there and see what it'll do for speed. Because this thing's, I'm off the modem and getting almost 40 megs. Quite fast, but I'll try that. Hopefully I can do as another snow update tomorrow on Hurricane Storm Nemo, and then we can I can show you then. Thanks. Bye.